Abby and I are super excited. We just upgraded. Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
Amelia's taking a nap and Popeye's swapping the poop decks. We're the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. Check out this amazing upgrade that we just picked up for our RCs. Guys, this thing is a beast. It is metal, comes apart very easily, and put together in about 5 minutes. In fact, we're gonna show you in a time lapse how quick and easy this thing is to build. It's 2 feet wide, completely made and fabricated in the States, shipped in the States. This thing is made to last. I don't know about you guys, but I have searched on Amazon and Google for years and years and years, RC car ramp, bashing ramp. The best thing that I can ever find is like a skateboard ramp, and usually they're skinny and they kind of suck, I mean, honestly. And so we finally, at the beginning of this year, resorted to my dad building us a wood ramp, and that's been great. But honestly, it's not holding up very well. It's falling apart. Well, finally, there's a company out there in America. Look at this. These puppies are made in America. This is a 2 foot wide ramp. These guys are called RCBashRamps. They're a newer company. I found them on Instagram. You need to go like their page on Instagram. I'll be honest, I reached out to them. I said, hey, can I show people your ramp? They said yes. So they sent me this beautiful metal ramp. Again, I emphasize, made in America. Now, this isn't a cheap plastic toy that you're gonna throw away. This puppy's gonna last a lifetime. This is big enough for the biggest of RCs, and I kid you not, it will last forever. That is so tough. Now, the beauty of it is they do make it in different colors. I think they call this lightning blue, but for me it's RC Sailor blue, so our stickers are gonna look beautiful on here. I wanted to debut this ramp without the stickers though, just to show you what it looks like. Now you can make yours beautiful too with some RC Sailor stickers. I highly recommend it. And the best part is it comes apart. I wanted to show you guys how easy this is to put together. It comes with some bolts and a few nuts, and supposedly we can build this in just a few short minutes. So I haven't actually had this together yet, but wow, am I excited. So let's put it together, have some ramping, bashing fun. This should be a blast. Well, that was easy. That took less than 5 minutes on my first time building it. And I realized that it does matter which way this top piece of metal is facing. There's a little bit more metal down here to give you a nice smooth lip, and a little less up there. So it took a second to realize that. And starting from the bottom working up, I think I could probably almost cut my time in half on the next build. I highly recommend a little ratchet set like that. This was easy to put together. Let's ramp. We're gonna show you a little Banggood truck today. I'm not sure if it will be able to hold up to the punishment that we're gonna put to with this ramp, but later we'll absolutely be testing future vehicles with this ramp. We'll have it linked in the description box below. One thing before we hit this ramp, I would like to hear from you guys in the comments. Let us know your ramp challenge ideas, and if we use your challenge and this video gets 1,000 likes, we will shout you out in the next ramp video where we use your challenge. We're gonna take a look at this little, I think it's a 16th scale. It is a brushed, ready to run, 4-wheel drive monster truck. Oh, it just reminds me so much of the Dramata vehicles. I miss those days, don't you?
Yes.
Oh, so much fun. We're up here checking out the high school seniors artwork on the parking spots. It's really cool. Let's do this. Check it out, Abby. You know us, we're not here to intentionally break our RC, so we are trying to ramp it into the grass. Maybe Captain America's shield could be a target for ramping. There's your first idea.
There you go.
Oh, this is fast, Abby. This is fast, fast, fast. Wow.
All right. I think he's taking it easy. Yeah, that was a little close. Did it survive that? It looks all right. Wait, nope,
Oh,
nope,
no.
nope, it didn't.
Oh no.
Can that pop in or is it broke?
It bent the metal and we lost the dog bone. Abby and I have been looking for like 20 minutes now. We cannot find this dog bone. What happened was I think it just came down hard on this back wheel, and if you look, you can see that this got bent, this piece of metal, that little shaft that holds the wheel in place, and then it slipped off. This little guy just pops in here, but the dog bone is missing. And so without that, we really don't have much control over the vehicle. I would say, you know, maybe that wasn't made for a giant ramp like that.
Obviously.
Possibly too. I was hoping that by landing in the grass it'd hold up a little bit better. I know we can find dog bones for this because it is WL Toys, but we've had other WL toys that are this 1/16 Dramata scale size that have also, their wheels pop off easily and we lose dog bones even when we're not hitting ramps. So remember that little buggy we did with Abby's sister, Girls RC2? We lost dog bones there and they continue to lose dog bones in that thing. So I think it's just kind of a flaw with these vehicles. We'll have the ramp back on our channel soon with more rugged, durable RCs. And maybe we'll do some more with the cheaper RCs too. Either way, that is amazing. This maybe not so much. Although it was hard to control just driving on the asphalt too. It's one of those deals where it's got too much power for its own good, if you ask me. I tried to hold off hitting that ramp. Wow, that was crazy. I'm so excited to bring maybe like our Maximus out here. What would you like to see us hit on the ramp next? And also, just a bonus for you guys, this whole video actually is a bonus because we only hit the ramp one time and this broke. I don't feel like that's worthy of your entire day. So later today, we'll release another video. Be on the lookout for that. Probably, I don't know if we'll use the ramp or not, maybe a ground vehicle. Let us know what you guys think. Poor little truck. We'll pick up another dog bone. If not, you may see it on our eBay store.
It'll go on our eBay store.
Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.